Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials so the intelligence features can run smoothly. On your iPhone 16 Pro Max, make sure iOS is up to date and you are signed into your Apple ID with iCloud and Siri enabled. This allows personal model learning and sync. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and plug in or have at least 50% battery, because device setup can be power and data intensive. Now open Settings to begin enabling Apple Intelligence components. You now enable and configure the core Apple Intelligence options. In Settings, tap Apple Intelligence and toggle the specific features you want. Choose on-device processing for privacy or iCloud processing for cross-device continuity. Make sure you grant permissions for microphone, photos, contacts, and any apps that assist the intelligence features because they need data access to personalize results. As you configure, you'll see brief explanations. Read them so you understand trade-offs between speed, accuracy. You finish by testing and verifying that Apple Intelligence responds as expected. Try a voice prompt, search a photo, and use a smart reply to confirm behavior. These tests show how models apply your data. If features don't appear, make sure your iPhone has finished indexing and then restart the device. Many issues clear after a reboot. If problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence settings and re-enable permissions, which forces a fresh local model build. This often resolves stubborn configuration.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.